Hello. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about how to set up UTM parameters for your Facebook ads campaign. As you know, be it could be Google, Facebook, TikTok, they do not have 100% accurate tracking. So for this specific video, we're going to discuss about how to set up UTM parameters. So it could be easier for you to analyze in your Google Analytics or in your Shopify Analytics to check out like from which source or which campaign or which medium you are getting the purchases, traffic, and conversions from. So without further ado, let's jump into my screen and see how we can do this. So I'm here on the ads manager and at the ad level. Since this is a little bit of advanced stuff, so I'm assuming you are already aware of how to make campaigns, how to set up the ad set, how to set up the ad. So we are at the ad level and we need to scroll down a little bit until we find build a URL parameter. So we simply want to click on build a URL parameter. Now we can see four options over here: campaign source, campaign medium, campaign name, campaign content. So again, you need to put the name over here, which you can easily identify later. All right, I added the name, I added this specific name in my URL parameter. So the purchases and the conversions that I'm getting is through this campaign, this ad set, and this ad. So hope you get the idea. So without further ado, let's add these details over here. So in the campaign source, I will add campaign name. So I simply want to identify, all right, I get the purchase from this specific campaign, and ignore this error. It's just saying that uh, you will not get default purchase behavior. Rather, you will get specific URL parameter behavior, which you will add over here. So campaign source is campaign name, campaign medium, it could be which I follow. I'm telling you this. You could, make as per your own needs. So over here, I will add ad set name, because if I will add ad set ID, then it will be very complicated for me to identify. It will be like some 4446629. So it will be difficult for me to understand that from which campaign I get the from which ad set I get the purchase from. So ad set name would be easier for me. So if my ad set name is for example broad US 2025, then it will represent broad 20, the same as I told you. So I will add ad set name. In campaign name, I could add around ad name, and campaign content I will have placement. So for the campaign content, I want to know the placement from which I got the purchase from. It could be like Facebook, Instagram, Facebook feed, Instagram stories, and whatever the placement it could be. So my URL parameter has been set up properly, and you can see I can have a preview of it in my parameter preview section. And if you want to add additional URL parameters, then you can simply add the name and add the value over here. But as for now, I'm good to go over here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply apply on it. And my URL parameter have been made properly, as you can see. If I click on it, again, it's showing my URL parameter has been already made. And over here, I have added, for the purpose of this video, I have added Gymshark's website in over here. So once I publish, I'm gonna see at my Google Analytics, I'm gonna see at my Shopify dashboard from which campaign, which ad set, which ad, and which placement I'm getting the purchases from. So hope you get the idea. So if you like the video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This really helps me to keep motivated and make videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.